like 50 different pins, as long as he doesn't actually pop up, the referee's not giving crap. Like Thomas still has a good going, right? So when we're here, and especially once you tell him to say stuff like this right here, if I'm not really feeling it, see how he's coming up? I'll lean towards the head so I can come over this way and make the switch. And now I'm gonna hug, and now we do the exact same thing again. And now this is gonna be one of those Kazuri actions. So Kazuri means pillow. So anytime that I can actually overhook or underhook my arm and pull my head down like I'm gonna go to sleep on the pillow, I'm fine then. So now my head is facing the hips. My hip is over his shoulder. See that? Because now I'll extend it and I'll start pushing the hip down. Now he tries to move, good.
It's over, bro.
Oh man, you got it. Don't be so
You're done. Your toes, bro.
He's been the dummy for every single
Just
pin.
throw your leg up. Just throw your leg up.
Buggy choke! Buggy choke!
See, that's Greg's secret move. Just throw your leg up.
Buggy choke! Do something!
Again, the whole Spider-Man wall thing is actually key. I spent 45 now. Can't go in there, drop your head down right here. Why? You can't move his shoulder easy, start popping out though.
The reason he switched would be because you lose grips on the other one,
If
not...
I feel like I'm losing grip,
Okay.
I'll make a switch immediately.
So it's not necessarily like it's advantageous to switch, it's just that for some reason he's moved the way that, yeah, okay.
If he's moving to where I think I'm getting weak within the pin, yeah, she has to get head work.
Bye. Bye.
If I'm ever moving and I think that the pin structure is getting weaker, I automatically change up the pin structure.
Okay.
Because if he beats one structure, great. Now we move on to the very next one. Now if he starts from 0, now he must beat the structure from the very beginning again.
And does the count, playing naive here, but does the count...
It's staying.
It's staying even though you've switched? Okay.
If he hasn't gotten the guard or gotten right back up, the count's going.
And that's when it resets is
he
when...
has to go.
Okay.
So that's why we do so much hard pinning in judo. He has to get out. BJJ, if I just hold him side control for too long, eventually penalize him, right? Okay, great. Judo, that's not there. You got 20 seconds to actually get out.
And that could be a turtle or just anywhere?
No. It has to be actual pin.
I mean, when you get out of a pin... Turtle would get you out, okay.
Yeah, turtle, guard, or just being able to get back up, period, that breaks the count.
Right, okay, got it.
And the reason why it's going to be that way roll-wise, you may go, well, why roll? Because again, where they got pinning from was with the actual samurai. This is not like a joke. It is a, like, lay down. The whole ancient thing about the honor and how we would do all this is complete BS. What really happened is, for fighting on the battlefield, if I get to any of these, I reach my komodo, here's my top hat, stab, I'm pinning you and I'm killing you.
Yeah.
Like, that's literally what the pins were actually designed for. I'll control you enough to where I can get my knife and kill you. No, but I mean, that's like your original throws. The original throws were never meant to flip you flat back. I'm throwing you on top of your head and I don't care what happens to you. We change it, quote unquote, for sport and for safety, but like that's where the original killing art stuff comes in. It's in martial arts, so war art, so I'm trying to kill you. But for the purposes of what we're doing, control and safety and all, now we're going to just strictly pinning. Makes sense? Again, keep your hip right above the shoulder, your head right here. The arm is going to be right here, know what I'm speaking. The whole time the form is speaking. I forgot the whole deal, but the form is speaking this way. This hand, I like to put it underneath. This hand is not grab a hold. Some people want to grab a hold. I don't like to grab a hold. So I'm going to grab a hold across my spine. Some people do that. I'm here, I'm going to do that.
I feel like that turn or rotate better.
Okay. See now I'm not inspired to do that.
Does it matter where he gets his arm? Is he better to get the big one place?
Yeah, I kind of like where he gets right here. I'll play for a way to go. Let's see what I really want to do. Get out of the remember,
cloth that you do that, or you'll use it?
You don't really need to. The one that goes over, I'm also going to cut the shoulder so you can use the other dude too. And with me, I will grab the whole cloth somewhere like right there. The armpit's right here, so the right underneath the armpit's going to grab the other side of the hole. The other hand that's going to be underneath like this, one leg. I don't like grabbing the hole. Some people will grab a hole and stand right there like a high, and I say, I don't like grabbing your guy. But I will do that because the form can be right here and still function.
Mhm.
I just put up down the ball.
You want to? Yeah, you can. You can. Again, it really is whatever you're most comfortable with. Like I just don't grab a hold like a hand on and push here. Like, once you grab a hold right here, you just see a hold flip back. You can.